Hello and welcome to the 6th module of the Robot Overlord course unit. In this module, we study the impact that artificial intelligence can have on our legal systems. Technology is rapidly transforming how investigations of human rights abuses are carried out. Traditionally, investigations relied upon witness testimony and on-site evidence to prove the existence of human rights violations. The question that now arises is whether we can use social media content and satellite images to overcome the physical, security, and societal barriers to gathering reliable evidence to be used in court. In this module, we explore advantages and potential dangers of using artificial intelligence to assist with legal ethics and improve the legal profession. Looking forward to hear your experiences, opinions, and concerns on these matters.